Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to install Zoom in Windows 10. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your browser and type zoom.us/download, and now click on download button to download Zoom meetings. So here is my Zoom installer which I have downloaded, and now I'm going to right clicking above the file and clicking on run as administrator. So Zoom is started to install and it may take some time to finish the installation process. And here you can see I've successfully installed Zoom, and now you can join into a meeting or you can sign into your account by giving here your Zoom account credentials. So this also we can install Zoom in Windows 10. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.